Hi everyone, now let me show you how to search for free full-text thesis online through PQDT Open. So you can go to this website, pqdtopen.proquest.com, then please key in your keyword as usual. For example, I'm looking for an employment and click search. Next, they're going to show you this result, and this is the number of result. By default, they're going to arrange the result according to relevancy. You can choose other option like most recent and oldest first. For example, I choose most recent and click go. So now they already arranged according to the most recent thesis and dissertation. And now you can start looking at the title as long as it is relevant to you. And if you find this icon, full text PDF, so meaning that they're going to provide you with full text online. So for example, I want to get this thesis, so I simply click full text PDF. And they're going to open the full text for me. So this is the thesis from page 1 to the last page, full text. So that is how you can use PQDT Open in order to search for free full text thesis online. Thank you.